everyone, today I am going to show you a special video how to log out from your Google Drive. Especially there is no option on your Google Drive app to log out. So here I am going to show you a special video how to log out from your Google account. First of all, you have to open your Google Drive app. Yes, I am opening my app. This option shows this. So and there is no option to log out from this Google Drive. So if you want to log out from the device, you have to go to settings and go to accounts. Yes, Google. There is to log in Gmail account. If you want to log out from this device, you have to click on this and click on this Gmail account, and here click on this and now set it. Click on this. This wants to log in another new account. There is no any account login or synchronized account. So this is tutorial how to log out from your Google Drive. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, this type of video, and please subscribe and press the bell icon to get new notifications of new videos. Thank you everyone.